Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 3 and the name of the lesson is Ancient Towns and Scriptures. Culture is a matter related to human life. It means it is a way of living life. Human beings create a unique system of life through their own caliber, skill, and creative skill is called civilization. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society in the world. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. In the year 1921, remains of this civilization of Indus Valley were first discovered from Harappa. Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhighadi, etc. are included in the many places of civilization of Indus Valley which spread across the northwestern part of India. Now, children, on page number 11, you can see the map 3.1 Places of Harappa civilization. So, please go through this map. Now, the next topic is town planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappa civilization. All the towns were planned in a similar way. In all places, fort was on westward side and colony on common people on the east side. Highways separated both of them. The fort on the west was surrounded by the fortress. Most probably, rulers would have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structures. Let us study about various features of Harappan civilization. Main features of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Houses were constructed on high platforms to protect them from flood and dampness. One of the features of houses of Harappa was that the main gate opened in the lanes rather than toward the main road. Here, single and double storied houses were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of which connected north with south and the other connected east with west. Now children, on page number 12, 3.2 picture, you can see public bath Mohenjo-daro. So please go through this picture. Here, streets were parallel to the main road. Roads intersected each other at right angle. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Evidence of night light system has also been obtained on public roads. There was highly developed and systematic system for disposal of water in Harappan civilization. The water from each house flowed into small saver and from small saver to the large saver. Water from large saver flowed out of the town. A public bath has been found in Mohenjo-daro. In the center of this public bath is a pond for bathing. There are steps arranged on both the sides to get into the ponds. There are changing rooms around the pond. This public bath would have been used on festivals or religious occasions. In addition to this, pillared houses used as assembly halls have also been found in Mohenjo-daro. Harappa is an archaeological site located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. Harappa must have been the main town of Indus Valley civilization. The main features of Harappa is its granary. About 12 grain stores have been found on the bank of river Ravi. Lothal is situated on the banks of Bhogavo river in Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district. Lothal was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient times. A structure made of bricks has been found in Lothal. It is considered that it must have been a dockyard. It can be assumed that the vessel arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. In addition, warehouses and bead factory have been found here. So, it can be said that Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient India and international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the port of Lothal. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.